So I think as a biologist and botanist that it's very important to invite wildlife into our gardens to really recreate an ecosystem. If you want to have a garden which is healthy, a garden which is finally beautiful, you need to have all these animals coming back to where they used to be before. In order to realize, to create this ecosystem, it's very important to have nectar-rich plants. So you want bees and butterflies and other insects to come back. So the thing is to have flowers all year long, not just stop with summer and spring flowers. Just really try to find plants or trees blooming also in winter and in autumn. So once you've got all the insects, you have to think about other animals too. So if you've got water sources, you will have birds, you will have dragonflies. And also important thing is to leave a little part of the garden a little bit abandoned. So you've got branches, dead leaves. So maybe if you're lucky, you will have a hedgehog.